Hi, I'm Carl, and here is an updated tutorial for the Mixitup app to make some Twitch channel point redeems for your VTube studio model. In this tutorial, I will go over basic item redeems, randomized item redeems, as well as a model change redeem. Let's get right into it. First off, obviously, you will need Mixitup. I will have the link down in the description so that it's easy to download. Just download it and run the installer. Once you have it installed, you should be greeted by something like this. If you have already it installed, you can just simply log in. But here I will make a new profile, go through the license agreement. There's some stuff here, log in to Twitch. Looks like you can also have a bot account for this. But I will just simply do it with my own. Now we are logged in. You are also able to log in with YouTube and Trovo. Alright, we are now at the main screen here. Let me minimize my VTube studio so that we can have both visible at once. Right, starting off, we start doing things in VTube Studio for the basic item redeems. Simply take an item. I will simply do a Dr. Pepper can here. Add it in. Select a good position. For that, I will just put it in the middle there. As you can see, it's anchored into the model. Then you will take the item scenes for hotkeys option here, the 3 stars on the left side. I have some previous ones here, but we'll make a new item scene. I will name this accordingly so that I will be able to figure out which one is the correct one. And here is how you can get it so that the previous item will disappear when a new item is redeemed. So if I want to add a different soda can here in a moment, I will simply put this as, I don't know if I have others like this, but I'll put this as items in group 9. So we now have that done. I will get rid of that, and I will add the other one. And now we'll add a can of Monster here. Can't go wrong with that. Then we'll make another item scene. And put it in the same item scene group as the other one. Now, head on over to your settings and the last tab here, hotkey settings and expressions. Like I already have here a dragon path. Probably from the previous tutorial that I have done, maybe. Now, right. You can add a new hotkey from the plus sign. Then change the hotkey action to toggle item scene. Select your item scene here, Dr. Pepper. You can name the hotkey if you want, or you can name the hotkey if you want. It should make it a bit easier to find it in Mixitup. You don't need to put a hotkey here. These, if you want it to automatically disappear, select the stop after seconds and add how many seconds it last for. Then after that time, it will disappear automatically. But for now, I will keep that off, since that was already covered in my previous tutorial. So we have this done. Let me add the other one as well. Alright, both of those hotkeys are now done. So now let's head on over to mixitup. Go to the menu here, go into services, scroll down, and you should find VTube Studio. Click on that, press connect, and you should get this pop-up, click allow, and it should be connected now. Head on over to which channel points, create new channel point reward. Click edit command, is the middle option here. Select from the action menu, VTube Studio, click on the plus, and you'll get different options. For now, let's take the run hotkey. Select your model, mine is this one, and select your hotkey that you chose. Now, click on save, and it should be done here. You will have to go to your Twitch channel point settings, be able to change the channel point cost for this for some reason. That is not an option here. Weird. Now, create a new one. Let's make the other one. And now, if we test out our Dr. Pepper command over here, you can see it appears. And if I take the monster command, it gets rid of the Dr. Pepper can. Of course, people will be able to redeem the same one again, and it will get rid of it. But you can get around that by adding a time limit on Twitch for the channel point, so that no people can just spam the redeems. And now for the random item redeem. Let's first off create some items here. I will simply pick some random ones. All right, I have 4 different ones now. For here, again, add hotkeys for them. All right, I have them done in VTube Studio now. Create new channel point reward. Random item. Over here, now you will have to select a different option than VTube Studio. Select special identifier. Now give your special identifier some name. I will simply name it random item. And in the value, add random with a number 1 higher than the amount of items you have here. Right. You have to make it globally usable. And is math expression. Then add conditional over here. in the first value, put $sign and your special identifier, which for me right now is random item. Then second value, put 1. And here in action, you can put VTube Studio, run hotkey. Oh, this is refreshed. If your things don't appear, you press this to refresh all the models and all your new hotkeys will appear. Take boba. Then you can actually duplicate this, so you can easily create new ones. Here on the second one, add a 2. And here, cat warning. And then save it, and now test it out. You can see I get a mustache. Test it again, I get the cat warning sign. Test it again, I get the boba tea. Test it again, I get the hammer. Again, looks like I got the hammer again. Cat warning, hammer. So it works. Next up, let's do the model change redeem. This is very simple. You may have already seen it, but there are some ways to make it a bit easier. Make it work a bit better. Say you like to have your model at the bottom of the screen here, usually while streaming. Now if we go over here, create new channel point reward. Name it new model. I think I already have a model change redeem in there. Cannot obviously have two that are named the same. Add VTube Studio here. Load model. Let's just simply take this. This I already did it for this one. Then add another one. Looks like there would be an option for move model, but you would have to... Oh, you can actually do it here. You don't have to do the hotkey in the VTube Studio. Get current. Add a couple of seconds of a wait time. And now, as you can see, the model is in its position. That is all for today's tutorial. I hope this has been very helpful. There was some new information that was not a part of the previous tutorial. Do ask in the comments if you have any questions. I will try my best to help you. Of course I'm not the developer or anything of this bot, so I only know so much of how to do things. But yes, thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.